If you smack down. Smack down. Smack down. Leave me up. Leave me up. Today, I will finish you. What is it? I will do that smack down. What's going on? Get off of me.
What's going on in this house? Every time smack down, is here a wrestling club? Your eyes.
Did you see what was going on? Did you see what was going on? She hugged me. And you know how you know me, I'm very good at smackdown. I wanted to give her smackdown, but she was too heavy. Yes.
You wanted to give her smackdown? And you call that smackdown?
It's smackdown now.
Can you stop? Stop! Get it full stop.
I don't care how you feel. It's your mother.
Mama, I am talking to you. I said it's okay. Don't go now.
Don't worry. Troublemaker. I was troublemaker. Smack down. Troublemaker. So one of our women. Time I'm done with her. She hears my name, she will walk from me. This woman. Are you stupid or something?
What is it? In my own house?
Yes, in your house. So you went to the market to spread rumors about me. Hey, brother, twin. You might never size.
So, you went to the market. Instead of keeping yourself busy in the market, you went about asking people what I said about you. Who are you that I should bother about?
Wait. Did you just
Who are you that I should talk about?
Onyantakoko.
Exactly.
And you asked the question, who am I?
You heard me right.
My name is Ojuk. Mama Ini Boy. The great undertaker. Mind how you talk to me. Because by the time I'm done with you, you will not
do anything.
Hey! Did this happen to anything?
Did you just slap me with those dirty hands?
I will slap you again.
You do it again? Hey!
Papa, just look at my wife. Look at what your wife did to her. Why would your wife leave your house and come to my house and beat my wife up? Why? Hey. Why, Biko? Forgive her. Eh? I didn't even know she conceived any idea to go to your house to go and fight your wife. Eh? I didn't even know when she escaped from this house. Forgive her indiscretion, please. Papa Emeka, if not because you are my friend, if not the way we are, what are we do to her?
What will you do here, man? And then what would you do? What kind of nonsense is this? Let me warn you, Walker. Let me warn you. I'm just respecting my husband. That's why I'm not even saying anything. He may nonsense and could you? What rubbish?
Shut up there! If I hear thing from your mouth again, I will design this your face to the world.
Just oh, I'm giving you respect in their presence and you're talking to me like that. If you mean you design my face, you don't even want to know my side of the story and you're all backing her. And not calling rubbish. This woman has been going around in the market saying stupid and nasty things about me. I warned her severally until I went to her house to teach her a lesson. And I'll teach you a lesson again.
Don't mind that. I didn't say anything about you.
Where do you think you're going?
I didn't say anything.
You, watch along. Watch along, I'm coming.
Will you shut up? You are still talking. Now, get this certified, change your name to Dino. I said, get this certified, transmigrate to your parents' place. Stubborn goat.
The only thing was stubborn sheep.
Forgive her. Forgive her. You see, please, take her for treatment. I will pay all the bills. Please.
Papa Emeka, if not for what binds us together, I know what to do. I will not take it lightly with her. I promise you that.
It will happen again. What binds us together is more powerful than Cascamite. So you know now.
I don't know why this is
no?
Let's go. Let's go.
If not that I was not ready.
Shut up! You are not ready. They beat you like this. Go, go! Over! Over! You open the gate, be fast about it. Sanke. Madam, nowhere. Madam, nowhere. You want to enter? Madam, you want to enter? Come. Sorry. Sorry, madam. Fast, open the gate. Okay. Now, which gate you want through now? You want through the back one or this one? Which one? Sorry, sir. Sorry, idiot. Mama Emeka. Do I have to change my name to Papa before you start seafood? 1 hour I've been waiting. Maybe I should go to the court to go and swap service for change of name before I eat.
Your food is here, eat seafood. Stop shouting. I'll get it done.
And where do you think you are going? Me, your husband. You are working out on me. You that I paid money on her head.
Papa told us so mine. What about you that you paid money? How much did you pay? It didn't give you. Money put the papa you brought Baroka. You never know how money you pay. See, don't disturb me. Just don't. I don't have time for your trouble. Besides, as you see me here, I'm not feeling well because I don't want your problem. Eat your food. Also, you know about wine.
That's my wife. Doctor. Hi. I've been waiting for the updates concerning my wife. I have a condition.
She's wet.
Okay, so...
And she has just been delivered a bouncing baby boy. Thank you so. How is she? Can I see her now?
She'll be ready in the next 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, they were just
Oh. Sure.
just for a moment.
Okay.
All right.
Excuse me, sir. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Oh!
Hello? Hi, Aguku. Yes, sir. Hey! Hallelujah! How? Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. The Lord will bless you and your family, eh? Are they okay? Okay, let them have. Bye. Hey, Chuku. Omekwala yozo. Hey. Omiyukuji ogomemekwala yozo. Ewo, aga mekele biyo. Emele yozo. Omiyukuwe. Omekwala yozo. Aga. But those dancing, didn't even ask me what happened.
My sister, I will still ask you, what is happening?
The Lord has done it again for my family. Eh? My daughter just delivered a bouncing baby. He has done it again.
Congratulations.
Wait. Help me tell Mama Ebuka about it. Let me rush.
She said to everybody we hear about.
Let me go and
please go. I will run down and deliver to them. Yes, you will be my help when you come ahead.
Emmy boy, the Mekus. What a wonderful news.
Hey! Oh, your mother? She's here.
Phone. You were just talking on the phone like you were talking to a girlfriend.
Is it not my son?
Say your son, give me, eh? We can calm her down. Let me take the call the way it ought to be taken. Emmy boy, my one and only son. Eh? Jenny, your wife has delivered. Kwam Gajinese, or give me call it. Boy or girl? Baby boy! Woo! Woo! My first grandson! Chai! Mama! Ebo soccer! Any boy! Anya one day a soccer is a period. Emi, get this is me fa. Hi! Eh? No. This is good news. I got my family back here. Oh yes! I am preparing. You know what that means now? Your mother is landing for a more war. I will come in full force. Yes. You may see me your fence salad or you to clear her stomach. Yes. To prepare for the next one. Any more? No. Don't worry about that. I will chat a keke. No, I have a special keke man. You will bring me. Oh, you need to attend to your work. Go. Because I'll speak to you later. Bye. Hey! Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you eyeing me? Eh?
What of you? Didn't you eye me?
Must you say everything that I say? Eh? Can't you for once have your own thing to say? Anyway, calm down. Or you buy AC for short, I'll tell Rebecca to buy it. Hey!
You troublemaker!
I need to call all my friends and let them know. Neno, you're now a grandfather. So you should know how to control your temper. Hey!
But that is the truth.
How?
Yes. Oh, Judy, have you forgotten how your husband here drank palm wine during the traditional marriage? That is the same way your son here will drink palm
I
wine.
reject it for my son. He will never drink man. For what? See, it is a joke. Stop it.
Oh yes, I stand with my wife. You can give your son as much palm wine as you want, even give Hennessy, you know. Give a good set, make it alright. Not my own son, please.
Alright.
Yeah, that reminds me. How about the contract? Any updates from that?
Oh yes. Very fine. Very fine. Our foreign partners are still going through the terms and conditions. But I believe it will be a huge success.
Oh yes, because that's one huge project I don't want to play with.
Oh no.
You know.
Yes, that is it. It will be the biggest joint partnership project in Africa, next to Dangote's refinery. Okay. My brother, I beg to take my leave now. I will see you some other time. Thank you very much. Yes.
I wanted you to join us for dinner. I was already making arrangements for that.
Oh really? Don't let my wife beg.
I am sorry, but I have to go now, okay?
But Richard, what's up? I mean, chill and eat before you
Bro, you know what I'm talking about, huh? You know what I'm talking about now. You know business. We'll relate now. Oh, little boy, little prince, charming prince. Oh, so cute. Please take good care of mom, okay?
We will.
Alright. Oh,
See
just
you
the mother leaving the father.
Of course, you know you're your man and can take care of yourself. Alright, see you later, bro.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
I think it's hot.
Yes.
I can't even on the AC in my own house because of my boy.
Small boy with wayo.
My baby. You look purple. So how's Junior?
Junior is fast asleep. You know, what he does these days is after eating, he sleeps. I don't know when he got his good on the phone.
What do you sleep from you?
Me!
You almost ate me when you were pregnant.
Have you forgotten, like father like son? Don't
So
even go there.
like mother like son.
Me!
You almost ate me.
Me! You're kidding, right?
You remember when you woke up by 4 a.m. looking for food? That's like the second time you did that.
No, you didn't say that.
So I'm trying to check. This guy.
Check it.
No, it's expecting a message from the company, but it's not in yet.
Babe. There's something very important about my You know, I was thinking if my mother another complex for the whole spend 1 month indoors. And then mama, I mean your own mother, can now come to like 3 months. That way we get to reduce the expenses and then make them enjoy their arrival with their first grandchild.
That makes sense, some point. That's a very good point. It's not good for the both to come here, right?
At the same time,
I love you, baby.
I love you too. What? Wait, what are you trying to do?
I've missed you. Come on.
I don't say that you miss it too.
I'm not sure.
Stop.
Stop.
What is it?
I'm trying to eat for lunch tonight.
Papa, you're not paying attention. It's just not possible that I, Ochugo, will not go for home. I'd better have a rethink because it's not happening. My first grandson. In short, I am sure it's Juliet that came up with that idea. You see why I kicked against her entering into this family.
Jere, remove that girl's name from this talk. Remove her name because Emeka is a full-grown man. He knows how to manage his home. So don't involve this innocent girl at all.
He knows how to manage his home.
Yes.
But I have been the one praying for him, reciting my rosary, reading my Bible, calling upon the Lord day and night for the wife to conceive. And now she has delivered. They don't want me to come for home. They don't want me to carry my first grandson. Knock him or there, meme.
Let me tell you, I'm the one that is supposed to wait for Pugo. Because I know how hard I worked to get that boy. Amugo, you won't allow anybody rest. Troublemaker.
Peace.
What are you doing here?
Excuse me?
I am the one that's supposed to cook for this Samungo and not you.
Wait. Who gave you that information that you're the one meant to come for? Eh? And not I.
This is my daughter's matrimonial home.
This is my son's home. In case you forgot. My son. Your daughter has matri attached to it. My son.
Without my daughter, your son has no name.
Oh, excuse me. And what does your daughter answer? Mrs. Who? My son gave your daughter a name. In case you don't know.
Just to help your lineage,
when my son picked her.
Your son was nowhere.
Bring down my things first.
I heard. Now.
Bring my things down.
Please, give me.
Bring the things this way.
That is all.
Put it in front. There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my dear.
Hello? Wherever.
Who is here?
Hello? Hey, Carry this one! Carry this one! Hey! Is it that? If you ask me, who would I ask?
Well, I didn't have when I got there.
Now you're in between. Thank you, God is alive. Else he would have answered to my daughter. Only your daughter. I answered to your daughter. My daughter-in-law. Your daughter will always answer to you. If you get a mind, your daughter doesn't feed this man. This turning around shows he has not been eaten.
I don't want to borrow anybody money.
Mama, na mama, because mama,
Mommy! Oh, welcome! Baby looks like me.
You know, we weren't expecting the ball of you at the same time, but it's fine.
Hey, Gigi. Mama. Didn't you tell your mother-in-law that according to our tradition, I'm the one who's supposed to confess? No. This is your baby.
Mama knows. She knows, but it's okay.
Oh, Mama. I'll just hold him. But you know, according to easy now, you wake him up. According to our own tradition, it is the son's mother that comes first for Mobo. So you see, it's called clash. He's a child. It's called a clash of tradition.
It's fine. It's okay. We're happy to have you, Mama. And let me tell Akudo to come get the dance. Akudo!
Juju!
Mama.
Akudo! Akudo!
One minute. Papa, I want to speak to you.
Take this. Take this back because you might go off phone. I don't want to talk to him.
Mama, it's your husband.
I said I don't want to talk to him now. Finish up the discussion with him, Biko. Okay, you both have connived up here to get me out of here up here. I'm not going to be nonsense before.
I told her you're the one. Mama, Papa said...
Biko, when Papa na me fan, Biko.
She refused.
What kind of thing is this?
Mama, what's the meaning of this now? Why won't you take your husband's call?
I mean, you disappoint me. So you connive with your father, to stop me from coming to see my grandson first. Rather, you invited this Amos.
Why are you calling me Amos? Can you make?
See, if there was a worse name to call you, just Panya Kampogia, I would have called you that name. Oh, you think I don't know your plans? Your plan is to come here and cage my son. Mama, walk. Mama,
That was actually your plan, but my God! Disappointed. Mama.
Do you have a God?
My God!
Please, can you both stop now? This is meant to be a happy moment for the family, not scuffle.
Oh, you're not seeing me as part of your family anymore. You know, it's a family of Londinka. Okay, since you don't want me, come no long when I'm come put so I won't see you people will see me.
So in your mind now, no one is seeing you. Huh? Mama, stop now. not like this. Is anyone dragging me with you?
Yes. I can see it.
You can see it? Oh, you're young man. I joke on you,
Yeah, well.
Stop. I don't want that quarrel again now. Stop. Stop worrying.
Okay.
Udo kama. Udo kama.
Mana iya mo no la. Onye bo so. Ne ya. Ocha. Ayi me nwere nkupapụ yi. Mmesi anyị fe no ma. Nna mo, na ge kwanti elu.
Manu weli si kwenekene. Manu kwenkene. Manu kwe. Manu kwe.
No, what's funny now? I'm telling you what I'm passing through now. Is it funny?
My brother, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. You know, but I've been wondering, since when did Omugo cause a rift between in-laws?
I just tired, man. Omugo is meant to be something of joy, but in this case, it's just, I can't even explain. My mother has promised to behave herself, but then,
your mother? Okay. Do you trust your mother in her promise? Huh?
Onye mere nwane bakwa. Ebe mere nwane bere makwa. Onye mere nwane bakwa. Uda mere nwane bakwa. Wait to Ziza, wait to without, huh? Oh, okay. Plus, that we just get his party things ready. Oh, just set it, I'm coming. Oh, mono, narachaya. Ewe, oh. Onye mere nwane bakwa. Never till nwane bakwa. What is trying to do? What does it look like I want to do? I want to go and give my first grandchild a bath. I've already told Akudo to set his better things ready. I want to go and bath him now. The way you talk is like Akudo has not been the one doing it. Like you've done something out of the ordinary. Biko, can I go Biko? Ha! Biko kwa. Biko kwa. I don't want trouble in this one. Biko, see, I don't want anybody to get out of Let me have this. It's your mother. It's your mother and her trouble. She wants to deprive me the privilege of giving my first grandchild a bath. It's her mother-in-law. I've already told Akudo to get his better things ready. I've never had a major morning. Biko, you're on me. Can I understand Biko. Something? This morning's argument is about who birthday. Exactly. Don't worry. Well, I want to ask you, what would you both argue about in this house? Eh? Mama, I don't understand. Can't forget. Can't happen. No problem. I will bath you myself. Eh? There's no problem, Mama. My child. Why? Are you sure you can do it? Don't worry, rest. You see what you've caused? Anyway, I'm going in there to sing for my grandson while he's having a bath. Where is he? Julie? Trade. On their way. Now when on your bonnet when I see Okay. What is it? Hey, Nebiko, let's go of the fault. I want to make you. Why are you doing this? This is my own. Go back to your husband's house and allow me to enjoy my time. I'm begging you.
Stop acting like somebody beat you up. Listen, this is my first grandchild. And I need to be here for him. Please, let's go of the pot. Because I see
Why are you so troublesome? Just leave this pot. Let's not disgrace ourselves in front of our children.
I don't care. And see me disgrace. I don't care what anybody thinks. This is my son's house. In case you
Why are you like this? Oh, why? This is my daughter's house. My own daughter's Omugo.
Your daughter is married to my son. She bears my son's name.
Please leave this pot.
Let's not fight about
Leave this pot. Leave this pot. In the heart of Oku. In the heart of Oku. Leave this.
Don't say
Leave this pot. Leave this pot.
Don't say. Don't say. Don't say.
Leave this pot. Leave this pot.
How many times have I warned you not to enter this room without knocking? Madam, there's fire on the mountain. There's fire on the mountain, madam.
What do you mean by that?
You two mamas are fighting in the kitchen. It is war. Serious! Hey! Chimo, look after Chimo. Yes, I'm coming.
Leave your... I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to be quiet.
Emma, what is going on here? What is this? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Everybody that this your mother-in-law is this troublesome. Very wicked woman.
And you must stop this nonsense in this house. What is all this now? See her. No, Mama, do you want to commit murder here? Let me beat her to teach her a lesson. At least she will learn to respect somebody.
Why? If no one did it, I'll just...
Come close now. Come close. Oh! Look at you. Oh, Mama, what is this now? Oh! What is this, Mama? Where's my phone? No, enough of this. What is it? What are you both dragging? Can't you leave in peace? What is this?
Oh, please speak to your mother. This mother about one. Troublesome woman. You will never see.
Oh! Now, enough of this. My God. Why are you both behaving like little children? What is all this? Like little puppies dragging up daddy bones. Can you Nazo? Can you Mama? Can you I shake back side. Want to shake? Mama, it's okay. Mama, respect yourself now. Please.
Because my daughter will do it.
Let me ask you, Mama. What are you doing?
I want to cook food. I have to be still giving you a move. I want to just carry this pot to go and cook food. Or never let me.
The food that she cooks that the dog can't even eat. Looking nonsense. I'll cook myself. I'll eat myself. Let's go. Oh, no, thank you, God. Mama, follow me. Oh, please. Let's go. Chica is so good. Let's go.
I'll put actually open.
Ewe were ugo were kesi pe ya ewe la nkuba ewe were ugo were kesi pe ya ewe la ewe were ugo were kesi pe ya ewe la ewe were ugo were kesi pe ya ewe la
Honey, I just can't seem to understand why between our mothers. Like, I can't fathom why the both of them hate each other so much. Why?
I'm equally confused myself. I just can't tell.
You know, today when they were fighting, I walked in on them.
Sorry. It's okay. It's alright. Sorry. Boy, oh boy. What happened today?
I walked in on them earlier fighting. They both looked like two different people. This whole thing is frustrating. I know we didn't plan for the two of them to be here at the same time, but they should at least learn to adapt.
Well, sorry. Well, my love, it's in our hands to settle this rift between them. Because if we don't, we might come back home to, see a negative outcome, and that won't be funny. Boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy. Hey, it's okay, Daddy said. Boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy, boy, oh, it's okay, it's okay, boy, oh boy, look at my boy, it's okay.
Honey,
look at my boy.
Whenever they start their crazy fights, I always miss your presence. Like, I really wished you were here today. Today's one was crazy.
Well,
you needed to have witnessed what happened today.
It's okay, I understand, but like I said, it's in our hands too. It's okay, boy, Dad is here.
Where your car?
It's okay, just your car. Okay, look at that. Okay, it's on. It's okay. Okay, I think I want to go to bed actually.
Okay.
I hear you.
Can I carry?
Mommy did that? Why? Okay, it's okay.
Why are you always doing this? I want to serve my son. Give me the kettle. Let me boil the hot water for me.
Let me finish my own. They can come back and talk from where I stopped.
It's beginning to sound like a broken record. You're like your husband, you're like your husband. Is it my fault that you're not in love with your husband? Give me this hot water, come on, TV, go.
Why do you like trouble? This is my daughter's house. Give me Jalek. You need I like it me trouble.
It is my son's house.
And also my daughter's house.
Your daughter is under my son.
Please go and check.
Maybe they're not meaning anymore. If we must go after we together.
What in God's name is going on here? Why can't both of you give peace a chance in this house? Why? I'm getting fed up of this behavior. Why can't I have peace in my own house?
What do you want to say, Ochobu? What do you want to say?
Mama, enough. You want to fight in my presence? What is happening? Why are you people embarrassing me in this neighborhood with your constant fights?
Amy boy.
Mama, please don't Amy boy me anything. You've always been the drama queen in this house. Since my mother-in-law came in this house, you've been the one trying to fight her all the time.
Oh, thank you. Amy. Amy, so they are giving you to eat even while I'm in your own house. And then you need to...
I'm very disappointed here. What's the meaning of this? Eh? Why can't I have rest in my own house? See, I'm warning you both. I do not want to hear your voices again. Or do you think neighbors are not hearing your voice? Every time you kill, you fight, you knife like that. Please, oh, please. Enough of this noise. Okay, the mama to weaken at them.
See, you're the cause of all this.
Amy boy.
Smother.
My brother, as you see me here, I am confused. Every day my son calls me, complaining about the problem he's having in his house because of the mother's attitude. How? My wife has completely turned his house to a living hell. Emeka and the wife can no longer drink water and keep their cups in peace.
Have you talked to your wife? I mean, call her to order.
You think I've not done so? I've even gone to the extent of ordering her return from the city. But she remains adamant. She's very obstinate as you see her.
What do you plan to do about it?
Plan to do? I have completely lost ideas. Not an iota of idea anymore to handle the situation. In fact, each time I see my son's call, my heart skips. It's like my heart wants to jump into my mouth. Because I know he's definitely going to make a complaint. Lay complaint about the mother's behavior.
Then you have to stamp your leg on the ground and order her back to the village. Before things get bad. I don't have to call.
I think you're right. I think you're right. I have to stand my ground. Before she kills my son.
Because I have no buguru.
Exactly.
I have no buguru.
I tell this my guy, say no book this game. When I tell her no book him, I know why I tell her no book this game. How on earth say Man City go come win Chelsea? You know fit happen. Now which one be draw? Man City and Manchester area. Oh what? Hey, you get luck. So I no go gun. If I go gun plus what dey inside me now, I for use your brain now plaster this wall. No say I be security man, no dey touch me anyhow.
See this one. You wait stand here. Now you won't carry God, I go won't carry you. Mama, they call you.
No, can't look down on me. Oga here, Oga, go ask Oga. Oga, they call me Overcome, can't carry God. I said no. I gave martial art. You know, think like, hey, if I do like this, I go come out to a test and give you a job. You know, Butili, you know Jackson. They are my friends. By the way, which one they call me? You saw who they call me? Who?
When you reach there, you go no.
They get Mama 2 now. Now Mama 1 and Mama 2 they call me. You know, see small question why I ask you here. Instead of you to mellow down, answer and like say a woman where they train from village. We get home training, come the first. I don't like this game at all. I don't like this game. Oh, now I go come. I dey put on my wear my shirt. Go.
Allow them deceive you. There is original and there is fake.
Okay.
So take this money.
Okay. So how many I go buy?
Buy only one original one. 1,000 is for one.
Okay.
Not allow them cheat you.
Okay, the original.
Yes,
original. Pharmacy.
Yes, go fast.
I'll go there buy. I don't buy fake.
Original one.
Oh, what? Okay. Say make I go buy tonto for HDA pharmacy.
Have you washed my son, your boss's cars? And you want to go on an errand?
No, you never.
Since you put your debit file and go and wash up the cars.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Oh, he said may I go.
Come on. Do you remember the shop I told you?
No, now HDA.
Be going straight.
Oh, what? Come on, run. Run!
Wash the cars.
You hear wrong? I hear wrong. Oh my God! I don't
Okay, go back here. Be going. Go back.
What's this place?
Oh
Juani. Hey! Why this store? Yeah, Juani.
What is it, eh? What is it? Do you people want me to go mad in my own house?
You can't go mad, my son. God will not allow you to go mad. Talk to your mother. She's the one that doesn't want peace in this house.
Madam, peace. Hey, peace. Peace. Fanny, we don't see your leg and peace. Let me warn you. There is only one woman in this house. This house requires just one woman. And that woman, only enough, it's me. Do you understand me? Pack your things and return to your husband.
This is my daughter's house. Take us to rule on Dikeh. Take your son, she will your husband. Don't kill your boy. Your son is your husband.
Enough. Why are adults behaving like children? Why? You know what is going to happen? In this house, henceforth, no one should talk to each other.
Better.
Make your own meals and she will make her own meals. For peace to reign.
Thank you, my son. This is you say this is perfect. Just tell your mother. Make her understand what you just said.
Mama, did I make myself clear?
I heard what you said, my son. I mean, as the mother, I am in charge. I look up, I'll stay on my own. I'll lock up my store. My son.
I just said, make your own meal, mind your business, and she will mind her business.
Emmy boy, what are you saying?
Mind your business. I'm not joking, though.
Emmy, mind how you talk to your mother. You know me, when I get angry with you, Emmy boy, I use my left. Mind how you talk to your mother.
Make your own meals, and she will make her own meals. Mind your business. I don't want this scuffle. Can't I rest?
Simple. It's volleyball. All she knows how to say is simple, simple, simple.
Let us come together, mama, na mama, because we fight, we just felt and realized together we belong and enemy.
Kelela, the money. Where's your money?
I brought baby for you.
Oh,
I want to rest. Please help me
carry it. Mama, oh, it was a dream. Mama,
I brought Gino for you. Please help me carry him for tonight.
Nigga, what about your mother?
Didn't you come from Ugo again?
Where's your mother? I'm sure she slept in this house.
Junior wants to spend the night with you. Please help me.
Junior has not started talking. Please. Please help me to sleep. Mama wants Junior the money in there.
Mama, now become Yana Maga Kudoto.
Juliet, I can see that you're an enemy of good sleep and good dream. Look, take this baby to your mother. Let her look after you. I need to continue with this dream. I was counting money. As you're going, every turn of the night, I forgot to do that when I
She wants to sleep. She came in here for the omugo and you want her to sleep.
Please now, Uncle Junior, a little. Let me rest because I'm very tired. Let me grab a little sleep.
Mama, Kuru Junior. Your mother-in-law have been fighting to have Junior for the omugo. This is omugo. That could near Kolekota Kenya. This is omugo we came for. Let me sleep.
Mama. Mama. Mama, are you not my mother again? Are you not here to help me? Is this what you are saying to me?
Okay. Kuru Junior, go and give to your mother-in-law. At least, let her take care of Junior this night. I've been the one carrying Junior all this while. At least let her handle Junior this night. Can you know that? You want your mother to die? Can maybe he can know that? I'm gonna get you for...
Mama? Mama?
Ora. Come show you.
Where were you?
Baby, my mothers have refused to carry me. They keep turning me up and down to the other. I'm tired.
It's alright, just let me carry you so you can catch some sleep.
Oh, thank you, baby.
So,
I just need to sleep for 45 minutes. I'll get back to you, okay?
okay.
Please, do you mind taking me to the sitting room so he doesn't wake me up again?
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, little man. It's just you and I, okay? So let's see if we can catch some sleep. I'm tired.
Okay, good morning, sir. I'm fine, I did. Okay, no beside they stop you, but it gets something where they bother me. But I don't know how to present that to me. So this morning I said, man, stop. Know if I feel try explain that. I know. I want to know if you can just borrow me small money from my money. My papa for village. That man don't really try for me. So as I did now, even my spirit self, they tell me, say, if I don't give him this money now, na bad thing. Na bad thing. Because the man don't try. I said, man, I know if you feel from my money payment, give me small money, let me give the man today. Now my father, now wait now, I said, man, I tell you, now no other thing.
Okay, so you mean you want part of the salary?
Okay, no dear, exactly. Just part.
It's alright, when I get to the office, I will effect that transfer immediately.
My God bless you. Don't be with me. I know if you pay you back. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let us come together. Mama, na mama, because mama, we fight, we just felt and realized together we will conquer enemies. Look at
Only plate to give me. It's too light.
What's be your problem?
And they talk maybe an only plate to give. Good, why 1 meat? No, tell me why 1 meat? If Ramadan take your hand won't give me food like this, he go make sure say he double the meat. Because mother knows that me they do the most dangerous work in this compound.
Owa, you know my happiness. My happiness is say you say, madam. You see this food? Now Oga Mama give you so chopper.
Oga Mama, this name put the food for me.
Now she.
I know one reason say that woman hates me. I know one talk good that side. But you self, you don't tell her how we take the leave for this house.
I tell Oga Mama say now 2 meat we dey give you. She said the thing will make you lazy. Wait till you all make her.
Which lazy? Don't tell me that thing. Which kind of lazy?
Not a shout for me.
I see, you don't see or hear say meat. You don't see or hear say meat make person lazy. Don't mean they stay for that gate. Mother don't come back here and not open gate. And the Oga come and not open gate. Which kind of talk with that?
Owa, you want chop this food or make I carry and go drop?
I know one make you listen and say, I reject your food. Because now you cook them. If no be, if say na mother cook them, Oga mama cook them.
You go feel reject food. You will like food. I beg you see food chop.
Let them tell her more. Let them tell Oga mama. If she continue to put this kind of food, then I'm not gonna make my work dangerous again. Which kind of thing is this? You know I dey wait for this food. You know I wait for this food. Give me water. Don't feel it.
When we fight, we just need to realize together we will conquer enemies. When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah, together we will conquer enemies. Yeah.
Have you seen Mama? I mean my own mother. No. Have you checked the sitting room? I'm coming from the sitting room. I even knocked at her door. She didn't answer me. Though I didn't check inside.
I think you should check inside.
Okay. So you are still on this? Because be fast so you can go to the market.
Yes, auntie.
When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah, together we will conquer enemies. Yeah.
Mama. So you are here, sir, and I've been shouting your name. You don't want to answer. Mama. Look up, I want to tell you something. Mama. 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 Mama! Mama! What is this now? Abudo! Abudo! Yes, auntie. Please, get my phone, get my phone. Yes, auntie. Hurry. Mama. 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 Mama.
I'm still trying to get something straight. I hope you know this is not a joke. Are you trying to say that my mother-in-law is on hard drugs?
No, that's not right. You see, the substance was found in her body. Well, there are many ways that can get into a human's body. But you have nothing to be afraid of. It has been flushed out of her system, and I can assure you that she will be fine.
This is unbelievable. But it's okay, since you said she will be fine.
She will.
Alright. Thanks for always coming for my rescue. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. The pleasure is mine.
Now,
Have a nice day.
Lagos. Dog. I'm just How are you?
Well, the doctor said everything is under control, that he will, flush the whole thing off our system.
So, how is your mother in the hope she's getting?
That's exactly what I'm trying to explain to you. So he said she will be fine.
Okay. You left me at the bar. I was wondering, I didn't even call me, so I decided to come see you.
Yeah, sorry.
So how is she now? Is she inside?
Oh yeah.
Please, let's go.
You know what they call this laughter? Laughter. You see, the Lord is good.
All the time.
The Lord is good.
All the time.
And all the time. Lord, thank you. I thank you, Lord. You see, this God is an awesome God. He has vindicated me. Yes. You see your madam's mother. She smokes. When I say, well, I don't mean small people, I mean big grams. That is why she acts like a mad woman. Even the doctor has confirmed it. Now, what I want to know is, when did this all start?
I have never seen her smoke.
Even me too. I never see her smoke. Even that woman, she's nice to me.
Oh, shut up. She's nice to you. All fair women are nice to you. Makeji for wherever you are. Anyway, that is none of my business. You can't see. You have eyes, but you can't see. What I want to let you people know is that from now, I am in charge. Oh yes, I am in charge of this umbrella. So you all listen to what I say. When I'm even in, I'll get back to your duties. Stay.
My in the morning, we will report to you and also answer you.
It's not my fault. This is my son's house. I should get the job.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Mama, oh yo yo, I'm getting there tomorrow. Mama, oh yo yo.
Yes, come in. Mama, I want to speak to you. And I want nothing but the truth.
So, Mama, when did you start smoking,
Julie, me, smoke amoro, otu lazy. Anama poala. How? Echiri me ezinne limo Chrissy.
Mama, wait though. Are you trying to say that the doctor is lying or something? Because he said traces of hard drugs was found in your system.
No, how? How? Like was here when I came to us. I don't know.
Honestly, Mama, I really do not know what to believe anymore. Yes. Because this whole thing is pissing me off. The reason I'm asking you this is because I wouldn't want it to repeat again in my husband's house. Because this whole thing is pissing me off. Yes. I'm not happy anymore. Thank God no tako si medebe. Thank God you are okay now. Because I'm not kaliko. Thank God do. Let me go and check on my baby.
Hi. It's obvious. Somebody wants me out from this house. This is my in-laws' house. I am not going anywhere. I am here to stay. Omugo Kambia. Yeah, I'm going to
This is really serious. But do you trust your mother-in-law?
Of course I do. I trust her. I'm still trying to picture, how that substance found its way to her system.
I'm confused as well, these days you cannot vouch for anybody. But I think you need to have a one-on-one conversation with her.
That is for me to ask her.
You guys need to discuss,
Oh my God. I'm not sure I can do that, honestly.
Oh, well, you need to do that. She's like a mother. She's like a mother.
I mean, I don't have the courage to ask her, Mom.
And ask your wife to do that.
Come on.
Okay, you need to know how that got into her system. That's the paramount thing here. Okay? Yeah. We all need to know the enemy within. So, bro.
You're right.
Every day, one story to another. Life is just a joke.
I'm getting tired, but God will keep giving me the strength.
Oh. Uncle Mom. This one you're just standing there moping like a lost rat. I hope everything is okay. Oh, okay. Obviously. Why should I ask? You want to go out there and smoke cannabis, known as Igbo. Well, all I want to say is, when you're ready to smoke it, go down the road where your people are so you can smoke together. You're telling you. And I'm an adolescent well on a conscience. So please, stay out there and smoke. I don't want you polluting the house because my grandson is in the house. Alright? By the way, I am going out. Anyway, I have to go out now. Now, please, take care of the house, take care of me. Alright? Oh no. Mama Neka, you tend to forget a lot. Mama, can you even why? Now listen. Because you're filled with so much of it, I don't think you'll be able to take care of the house. So, I am going to call Akudo. Even though she can be stupid, I'll tell her to take care of the house. I will go and come back soon. Also, Kosu, me. Maybe Kosu wouldn't be messy. Play when play. I want you to tell me the truth. I have never smoked in my life before. Or for this cigar. Mama was in the name of Lord so Christ. Mama chile chichino no. Yeah. It's one of you how this hard drug got into my system. You better tell me the truth.
Wow. Now when you mention Igbo, I did hear them for the first time. If na lie, I lie. I swear if I reach home, I don't meet my papa alive. Because he's still alive.
Shut up. Okay. You think I'm playing? Okay? Okay. I will call my daughter and personally tell her about this. You know what will happen? She will throw two of you out of this house. She will fling you out to pull Namona Nobun. I will shout and call my daughter. Tell me the truth.
Mama, Biko. Please don't let it happen because
Then start talking. Get on, Biko. Start talking.
I could do waiting he could take you. You not gonna take anything from your body to tell Mama the truth. Why you dey waste time? You dey see me for kitchen? I'm there kitchen. Why you not gonna talk simple truth?
Tell me the truth.
Mama, please. I will talk. I will talk, Mama.
Then talk.
Ooh, yeah. When we fight, we just need to realize together we will conquer enemies. When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah, together we will conquer enemies. Yeah.
Nelly, come on, nigga, don't you call on apple? A potato. What were you doing there at that particular time?
Nothing, ma. I only went to check if the sitting room is tight. Oga always wants me to keep the sitting room clean, ma.
Liar! Liar! Even the shape of your mouth shows that you can lie. Eh? You went to check if the sitting room is clean. Makagene. I want to know about this sitting room. Let me tell you. Let me just warn you. If you utter one word of what you saw, especially to my enemies, that means you two have become an enemy. And I will so deal with you. I will deal with you more than I'll deal with my enemies. No, I will use water to send you home. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Stop shaking your head like if and when I'm talking to you. Did you just do your mouth like this? Now get out
On a debut cancer. They are selling, they are selling, they are selling. Okay, Menona. You mean all this has been happening in this house and nobody bothered to tell me? Okay, yeah? Okay. Well, I know that fat woman will not be able to go out to buy whatever it is. Ngwa, who bought it? Who bought the Igbo? Where you got it? You don't want to talk?
Ma, for this side now, we talk. I won't confess. I won't confess.
Hey! Oh! Oh, so it is you. Hey! Oh, it is you. So you stay. I'm going to come.
I beg, not tell longer, beg. Not tell longer because.
So it is you polluting this whole compound. What is it you're smoking? You're smoking Igbo.
Ma, I'm not going to take them again. I'm not going to ever take them again.
You have been taking this thing since. This thing you can never stop. You will continue to take it. Eh?
But the truth, let me confess a little. You know, say, what I'm going, I know the lie, ma. I dey take them, but not that kind long. I don't just they take and they cool my body, especially for night. You know, say, my job is dangerous.
Your job is dangerous. Is this night?
No, ma, I dey prepare for night.
You're preparing for night?
They take me for like some hours before night go come.
If record, you know what? You're lucky today is your Christmas. I will let you go. But if I catch you next time, you will not like what I'll do to you.
Mama,
I said give it to me!
Well, if you collect the evidence, let me say if you tell her.
Now get back to your duty post. Go back! You don't know your duty post again. Come on, get watch on. I'm on. I will keep this as evidence. Are you not sure? Sit down. I'm a good person. I'm a amazing woman. Eh? Or Chinese don't Hey, so how are you?
I'm fine, ma. Okay, I'm fine.
I see that. Hey, you know that thing you were smoking the other day? Is that what you call it? That's why I call it Amulike. But Amulike is still good. It depends on how you react to it. I would like you to buy some for me.
Ma?
Some people tell me why, you know?
I buy for you?
Yes. Original.
Ma, I know they take that thing again.
I know. I just want you to buy it for... I want to use it for something. Can you get me original?
Of course. Now my area. Now the thing, now my... I sabi the business very well.
I trust you.
It did too. Original and the other one.
I want the original. You know, I can still give you some from it. You won't mind that. I know.
Even those are not the thing.
I know. Just keep it by the side. You know, see, this is your music box. Which language?
No, they speak China. If I off them, on them, the thing go speak China. And now I off it there. My other now go hear them. That's it go. Machine go.
蓝牙音乐播放系统已开启，蓝牙状态。
蓝牙状态。Machine go lower. That's the language.
Very nice. Hey, dark people are original. They are good people.
蓝牙配对成功。
Is it the speak?
They agree with what I talk, eh? Not be only fair people you could help.
That's your
fair people na make up.
You are nice too. I see them. I don't see them say you are nice.
Okay. Ngwanu, let me go.
Okay, ma.
I will get you something to eat.
Ma, I know they play with food. You see food, eh? Me and food, they like this.
I know.
I know they joke with them.
I know. So, which soup would you like?
I go like a wushi with dry fish.
Dry fish.
Azobo.
Azobo, I'll put in chicken.
I know I go that side.
No, me, I want you to go there.
Okay,
so that you won't be Dikeh. Eh?
Okay,
Ngwanunna.
oh, thank you.
Oh, God. Enjoy yourself. When you're in China, can you?
Oh. What do you think it's hard?
So I have been living with enemies in this house. I don't have any fight with both of you. You can go.
Ma?
I say you can go.
Thank you.
I'll come back. I'll get back to you. I'll come back to you. Come on. Go for now. Mama, Pico, let Madam know here.
I promise I'll say you know to tell anybody.
Are you saying something there? Ojuko. So it's you. You have rolled out war drum. Get ready to dance.
Someone dead drugged my mother. This house will not contain the both of us. Let's stop this camera. Just allow this to carry now. Back, Manu, don't tell me that. Where is that mother-in-law of yours? She has a lot of explaining to do. Sit down. Explain everything. No. I mean, who does that? Where is it done? Where? Come and sit down first. And you're just coming. Look, Julie, I'm not here. I'm not here for this. I will explain things to you, because sit down.
That is it, my daughter. That is how we be living in this house. There is nothing I do that is right in her eyes. And then she went as far as putting Igbo in your food. She's lucky she's not around right now. I would have torn her to shreds. Ada, calm down. I don't want to mad Pico. Oh, just allow me to finish all I came to do in this house and go back to my husband's house in that. Pico. Mama, say whatever you like, but I will still take revenge on her. How can she do that? Ada, why your own? Dikeh. Oh, you didn't hear? You're sweating, no? How is your husband? He's fine. Are you hearing from him at all? But when is he even coming back from Obodo Ibo? Very soon, ma. He asks of you all the time. Hey! Go. He should try and come back so that you give me babies. Look at your tummy. Look at that forget. Some milk, only water everywhere. Let him come back so you drink your husband's water. Mama. Oh? Dikeh, smile for me now, eh? Oh, you're in there? Dikeh? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Do you want me to fall and hurt myself? You fall and hurt yourself. If you fall, will you even be able to know what happened to you? In short, my prayer is that you fall here and scatter out your teeth all over the place. Mama, don't think I'm afraid of you. I am only respecting you, Mama. But throughout my stay in this house, better mind your boundaries. Else, hey! Oh, you think you can come to my son's house and threaten me? You see, you and those are gang-ups. Your mother and your sister. You people cannot do anything to me. If I am like a tree that makes up a forest, in case you don't know. When that time reaches, you will not even fill up an Okada. You left your husband's house, poor man, to come here and enjoy big manism. Instead of you to stay in your husband's house and give him children. Stop it! In November, looking for take your time, oh. I'm only respecting you. Take your time. Please don't respect me. Respect yourself. I'm single. I respect. I'm warfare. I'm also a baby. Let something happen to my child, my grandson. You will see what I'll do to you. Juliet. Gonna be possible. Not in my son's house. Nonsense. If record. On your rapper, I go now, Nigeria, be a big man. Can you feel like I need dog them, Chabby or walk, in wherever I'm off here?
Please, I beg you in the name of God. For my husband's sake, for the sake of my child, do not get into any fisticuff with my mother-in-law because I am my beg you. And you better warn her. Warn her to stay downwind, else I will show her my style. You know me, you know! Listen, before you came, we've been managing her. I just want you to cooperate with us, you know. Very soon she will leave. Let's manage her together. I beg you. Don't tell me that. I am not one of you. What? I also have my own mother-in-law. What is even wrong with her? A woman as old as she is should be putting her house in order, not scattering it.
Mama na mama bikonuwa udo kama mama udo kama yeah may we fight we just felt and realized
what it's a good thing that girl has gone. Else I would have poured hot water on her.
I'm sorry.
Akudo, huh? You seem to be a nice girl. Well, aside my son, of course. It looks like that girl was sent. A tiger sent to my own home to destroy me. Can you imagine?
Mama, sorry.
Sorry. Why are you sorry me? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I lose somebody? Say sorry now.
Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
There's only one thing I can think of that will make me feel better now.
Mama, what is it?
You know that juice in the fridge? Which one? I mean that one that shape is like this. Go and get it for me. Okay. Wait. I think I've changed my mind. You know the bottle of wine my son brought in yesterday? The big fat one? Yes. Bring it. And that's your comment. Bring a glass. And for your information, you must drink from that glass before I take anything. Because even though I say you're good, Akudo, I do not trust you. I go and get it. Yes, ma'am.
just beating her. I don't want it to seem like an old man was beating up a young girl. So I fell for her.
Oh my goodness. This is really serious.
Get serious, my brother. To be honest, I'm tired of all these fights. Every day scuffle. I'm becoming fed up of that. My house has been turned to a battleground. And I'm the one wearing the big shoes. I'm the one passing through the pains.
Okay, what about your sister-in-law? Is she still around? Huh?
She has gone back to her husband's house. But I'm still faced with my mother-in-law and my mother trying to keep themselves.
Okay, why not try and settle this amicably? I'll advise you to just take them to a park, you understand, and then wish them well, let them go.
I wish I can do that, but hell no. They don't want to leave. They kept on saying that they came here for the Omogo, so they can't possibly go now till they are done with the Omogo. It's not possible. It's just eating me up on the daily. I mean, it's a pain in the ass. Everyday scuffle. What baffles me is these two used to be friends. When I mean friends, like close friends, boon companion at their youthful age. I can't really picture what has caused this rift between them. I've asked, no one seemed to give me a good answer.
It's really bad. Well, I pray that God gives you the wisdom and understanding to, take care of your home, because it's really sad, man.
Yeah, it's more than sad, not just sad, it's crazy. I wish you see what's going on in my family. In my house, it's crazy. Anyway, enough of me, man. Enough of me and my family. Let's talk about you.
About me?
When are you walking down the aisle?
I am not ready for that, bro. I am not ready to step into your big shoes. Please, bachelor is the best for now. I'm telling you.
Is that what you think?
That's what I know.
You keep deceiving you.
Okay. Anyone? Juliet. Mama, yes.
Why do you like to ask dumb questions? When you know your mother-in-law is full of trouble.
Mama, I did not ask you. What is it now?
Mama, tell me.
Well, Juliet, it seems like you've forgotten what we discussed.
What is it?
I don't understand. What? Well, Juliet, Biko, before I go into why I stopped you, I would love you to warn your mother for me. No, it has not gotten to that. Anyway, that's beside the point. You remember what we discussed some time ago? That I would be the one to escort you to the hospital when our son is ready to take his 6 weeks inoculation. Oh, that. Yes. Mama, it doesn't matter whoever follows me to the hospital. Not like I'm going on vacation. It matters.
What are you even saying? It's my turn. This is my Omogo. I should be the one to take the baby to the hospital. Why are you even trying to drag it with me? Get on here.
Please don't start shouting and wake up.
No,
listen, since this child is my first grandchild, I should be the one to take him for his 6 weeks inoculation.
Okay, is that the problem right now?
Yes, it is a problem.
It's not a problem. I know what to do. I go alone. Yes, I go alone. Mama, can I have my
How can you drive with this baby, Juliet?
Don't worry, I'll put him on the car seat.
You have to be careful, no? Drive safe, okay? Bye. Take it easy, oh?
Be careful.
Oh, Walagi. Shame on you.
Why do you like trouble? Why do you always pick up on everything? Who invited you here? I was to take the little baby to the hospital.
Listen, you left your house and came to my son's house to see what brought me.
This is my omugo.
Oh, please.
Not yours.
Please, it is my omugo. Besides, were you going to go to the hospital dressed like this? Can you be a fair family? What do you call this dress you're wearing? Ballroom dress. Disco. Remember, if you had gone to the hospital with this,
oh, it's still in your body. This
man.
Yes, I got one here.
Oh, never got it.
Trouble.
Remember the first time you came to this world, that boy trouble. You're trouble personified. Then if he I thought you used to be fashionable. I'm kind of disappointed. Excuse me.
What are you trying to fall? Nobody will visit you. It's not my big nyash. Okay, it's like that.
Never find one way.
So where's everyone?
What did you say?
Where's everyone?
It must all be someone inside the house.
And my wife?
Hey, Simo. The last time I saw her and baby, they were sleeping peacefully. Nah, if for that your baby, that your son, all he knows how to do is sleep, suck, sleep, suck. Just like you when you were a baby.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You never told me that.
Hey, yes, what? I used to tell you, but then you thought you were a big boy. I used to tell you. I have something on the fire. Listen, go and freshen up. Come down with your wife.
Okay, Mama. Why, Oba? Oh, I just have to relax. Richard is coming over though. So, where's Mama?
Right here. Have to get you guys water. Thank you. There you go. Sleep. I prepared this meal especially for both of you. It looks appetizing. It's real homemade meal. Joy. Thank you. And my baby must suck this from, you know. Mama. Amen. Amen.
So where's your mother?
Oh, I've asked Akudo to call her.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, food is not here. Ah, I'm going to go. Is it okay?
Oh!
Okay.
Pepe!
Pepe,
What?
Pepe,
Nah, yeah, man. Is she not okay for that?
Mama, how come? Are you sure you made this food?
I ate it and I tasted it.
No.
Nah, baby, oh. My cash for me. No. It's okay. Mama. So bad.
I know you're responsible for this. I know it. Because I tasted this food when I was cooking it. And I tasted it after I made it. You think you can get me out of my son's house? Mama, walk. Be faithful. I will show you in this house. I'll show you. All the money and effort I put into this meal wasted. But before I throw it out, Osade money.
Even if you don't see so, the meat is well seasoned. I beg you, boom, boom.
Man, it's terrible.
No, next time you really have to stop flying on the circle, Kaki.
I swear down, bro.
If you want to travel, you consult. I've had that experience before. The turbulence was crazy.
It was mad. It was mad. I think I've learned my lesson. Next time I'll fly again. I'll come for your advice, you know. You see the way I was shaking there? Like an epileptic patient.
Of course, it has to do with life.
So how was it?
That's fine, though. That's fine. Now when I came back, alive. So.
Okay, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm very well, Mama.
My friend, his mother and brother to me. We've been friends for a very long time. So meet my husband.
Oh, really?
Well, that means you're also my son. Hey! Okaro, nah.
That'd be nice. She's so nice, you know.
Yeah.
So what's up, Mama guy? I've told you, you need to, you know, go out on a trip.
Your drink is here.
Okay. Thank you very much.
What's all this? You knew I was getting him a drink, yet you went ahead to bring this.
How? Is it not my mom? How? How did I know?
That's exactly what I was.
But you didn't tell. Okay, tell me. What on?
I get it.
How am I supposed to know?
You want to collect the money meant for you, forgetting that I too am here for Mungo.
Ojungo. Nsobu. Hi.
Here you go.
Okay.
Get that thing away from his face. Sorry,
Richard.
Oh yes,
Richard,
Mama.
I want to give you a message for your mother.
This is your dress.
Mama, please.
Okay.
You guys can drink, please.
Okay, take care, oh. Now. You drank it.
When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah. Together, we will conquer enemies. Yeah.
I was about to say, you're coming to club tonight, right? My brother, see him club, bro. Don't fear, bro. Let's book it out. You know how we do it? Banner club tonight. Right. Owa! Open the gate.
Mama, na mama, big on the Mama,
Husband is very, very disappointed at you both for disgracing him before his guests.
It's your mother-in-law that started this first. And I know why she did it.
What are you talking about? You knew that I'd gone inside to get a drink for that boy. Then you quickly ran in with your own drink. But of course, I know why. You wanted to collect the Omugo money. Oburia, Anya Fuego.
Enough! With all due respect, you both shouldn't scream on top of my head. Okay? Listen, this whole thing has to stop. That's the bottom line. And now, it has to stop. My husband is already pissed. Since you both came here, you literally turning this house into a war zone. Why?
Julie, you know I'm a very peaceful person. I don't have a problem. I've always been a peaceful person.
Ha!
It's your mother-in-law.
Madam Peace! Madam Peace!
Yeah.
Peace, so if I'm not going all the time. I'm going a president for peace. Look at you, filled with trouble. Nonsense!
No, enough! No, Mama, enough! Enough! I believe I've made myself clear, right? Let everyone abide by the rules. Because
well, as you can see, I have talked to the Manchelo since your mother left for Obugo on her own. You see?
You see, that's one of the reasons I came back. Yes, Mama.
I understand. Ijewood, huh? We have a lot to deliberate upon. Okay? Take it easy. There's no
It's work.
work.
Papa, on the real, on Compton Kai. That's it. I don't even know what to do. I have run out of ideas. The fact is, I can't possibly send the both of them away. I can't.
Emeka, the problem is not your mother-in-law. If you ask her to leave, she will leave without any problem. But your wife, Juliet, will be seriously hurt.
That is the problem. That's just what I'm passing through. Thus, I don't know what to do in this scenario. If I send my mother-in-law away, my wife would definitely be angry with me. If I send my own mother away, Mama will not be happy with me. Thus, one day I will come back home and I will hear that both of them are dead.
Tufiakwa. Alu. That is abomination. Look, nothing like that will happen.
Papa, a mother and girl are coming. You don't understand what I'm passing through in that house. That's why you're saying this. With the manner the both of them are going, it's bound to happen. They fight for visually everything at home. From who bathes the baby, to who makes the baby's food. They even fight for who drinks water first. When they have empty glass cups in the house. They are turning my house to a living hell. I can't even breathe properly. When I remember I have to come back home to meet them, it's a problem. So please, I am here for us to put heads together to know what to do. I don't want to be two-sided here. Because if I chase Mama away, it's a problem. If I chase my mother-in-law away, it's a problem. I have spoken to Mama. I have advised her, Mama, please calm down. But she's not listening. I've equally done the same to my mother-in-law. It's still the same thing. I'm becoming wary. Something has to be done. No, something has to be done. Before I die of high blood pressure.
You won't. You won't.
If I'm problem.
I think I have an idea.
this is beautiful. I know. I'm sure this must have cost a fortune. Mama, my friend from country got it from you. It's a real stock. Touch it now. I'll wear this one to our village meeting. Another people will be full of envy. Only a whip. Charlie goes, I ain't chocolate. But I come from here and there. These people are so close that I owe you. No, how come I have this material? No, you want them to spoil it for you. Mama, don't worry. I've arranged a better designer to do the right statements for you. By the time she'll finish with this material, in the village, you go. Actually, go.
Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah, if that's here, I have one. I have for gonna give.
Mama.
Money back to no one.
For case I say let me go here.
Okay, Mama, touch it now. It's a real stock. You like it, eh? I'm glad you like it.
Oh, I tell her again.
I didn't find them. Sir, you get people who enter here. You said they look for you. You get people who can't look for you. They say they're from minister of Minister for Hissing.
Minister for... Oh, you mean Ministry of Housing?
Housing.
Oh.
Housing Ministry.
Okay. Alright, I will call them much later. Yeah, thanks for the information.
Thank you.
Get my briefcase in there.
Okay, welcome, sir.
My fine boy, I want the whole king, not a Nigeria. What are you doing here? Must you follow him to the room? Go get out. Go now. My hands on the boy. Okay. Why is your face like this?
There's a problem.
Problem? I know what the problem is. Is it not the fact that you get to use your money to buy expensive things for that yeah, mother? Alright. That's the only problem regarding my wife.
This time it's not about my mother, you know. It's not about her.
Then whatever it is, it's not a big problem. If for my man, I get kitty what is it? It's what? Ah! It's a Chino! This is not my boy has been kidnapped. Not the only ever for someone has been getting. Hey! How are them? I am going home. I am going home immediately.
No, Mama, you can't go. This is not safe out there. We're still trying to get in contact with Napa so they can make it.
You're still trying to? I should stay here while you're still trying to. No boy, Mama. I don't want to lose you. Please, you will not lose me. I am going home. You take care of your home and your family.
If onye na-achọ kọfụ maka we gonna do if onye na-achọ kọfụ Dig maka we gonna do if onye na-achọ kọfụ maka we gonna do if onye na
Baby.
Oh, yes?
Your papa are very funny. But you know Mama will not be happy if she finds out.
Well, I know my mother. When she understands, she just give up. More of choice.
Hey! Baby, you and I know your mother is not the type to back down easily. It's better you tell her the truth you want her to go home than trick her.
Maybe rap for that.
Rap
for that. It's better. I mean, we haven't had peace and tranquility in our small home for a very long time. I mean, without hearing, I'll kill you today, I'll do this, I'll do that. Huh? right?
Yes.
Yes. So the only scream they are gonna hear right now is your own scream.
Of what?
Yeah, I missed you, right?
Same here.
Your own scream, that's what you hear right now.
You're so naughty.
I missed you.
Wait. So you can lie with my enemies to remove food from my house, yeah? Okay, I'm telling you. Why would it happen? Because you are a troublemaker. Trouble impersonated. Instead of you to go there and live with your in-laws peacefully, you turned my son's house to live here. Look, let me tell you. No more Lagos for you. Anthony. No more Lagos. Shame on you. Okay, shame on you. Look at you. You planned your own kidnap. So you will bring me back here. Man, I'm so bad. No problem there. But let me tell you something. My soul is still in the city. My body is here. What am I even talking about body? It's her body that is here. Because no more food for you. Yes,
no food. See, that's your soul. We will bring it back, force it inside your body, and make you to remain here. If not, I will package you straight to Ogidi to your parents' place.
Hey!
I bet Ebele on your head.
Praise the Lord! Now, if you package me to Ogidi, because my father's house, my place Ogidi is one in town. That mansion that my father left can't compare to Sam. Rubbish.
See yourself? Troublemaker. You are trouble impersonated. Yes!
Peaceful man.
I'm peaceful.
Peace. Peace. How about peace? You think I'm peaceful. By the time I'm done with you, you will regret that your kidnap episode. Okay? In short, you will soon be kidnapped. And I kidnap you. Nonsense, jealousy.
What am I even doing?
Because you made your one.
Only me get this food. They give you, from the look of the plate get weight. Let's say many things inside. Wow! Oh wow, Popo! Ebe, Popo! Popo dana laye tawasiaya. Oh wow! Juru, Akodo, move me from level 2 to level 3 with the 3 meat.
I know say your belly is sweet you now. I know say you like her.
No be like and understand me. I love her. You know my prayer? Make this life they move like this forever and ever.
Amen. Oh, my guy.
You're my
guy. You don't do.
Bring me juice, like 5 alive, or water, or wine. I think wash the 3 meat.
You know go see food chop now.
No blessing. Are you be my woman?
Chop food.
You be my woman. If not like this, then they do. Oh wow, I no go to complain. Why I go talk?
This baby will be more handsome than your husband.
Oh, same thing I told the dad. You needed to see the way he argued so much with me that day. Like, I wonder if he's jealous of his own son.
Listen, one now, and hold it right there. Did you hear that? Oh, all this you think I don't know what you're up to? Pretending to be what you're not. So, no way. And ask me. You think
out of my son's house? Or not possible? Now listen, I am here to stay. Because this is where I rightfully belong. Akudo! Akudo! Obanje! No, I'm not here. Will you carry this bag in? Give it in Akuja. See, let me tell all of you here. I am back. I am back to stay. No leave, no transfer. No! Your real mama, your real grandmama is back. And Pastor Solaro, you've lost so much weight. Just this couple of days that I've been out. But don't worry. I'll take care of you. You're sleeping. I know the sleep is uncomfortable, but I'm leaving. Oh, I am talking. I'm talking to you and you're pressing your phone. The eagle has landed. I am here to say, now we do here. No, wait, but please don't cough on my son. Take on. Get me something to eat.
She has become very aggressive. You know your mother now. Especially when she senses defeat. Your guess is as good as mine.
Are you saying she's bound to fight back? Or trying to hurt somebody? Because I cannot go through this, man. I can't. Brother, there's a problem. Can you believe that my mother returned, breathing thunder and brimstone? Everyone in this house is running helter-skelter. This is so angry. We're looking for where to hide.
Emeka, why are you sounding like some daft? She is your mother, and only you can call her to others.
Oh, come on, you already have done that severally. Every single day I don't call my mom to order. Especially when she craves for attention, knowing full well that I'm happily married.
Okay, now you're talking, my friend. You see, I have come to understand that there is this special bond between mothers and sons. You understand what I'm saying? That, like we, the sons of our mothers, when we finally get married, they feel that we have channeled all the attentions to our wives. You understand what I'm saying? So as a friend that I am to you, I would advise you to still talk to your mother. You know, try to put her in order, and I think all these things will put.
I think I get what you mean, but my dear, my mother's own is just too much. My mother wants me around her all the time.
That is what I'm talking about. You understand? You are your mother's son. She loves you, and your wife loves you as well. So they both need attention.
Mama mia ni makange mego.
Ayaya, oya gadire ma. Ayaya,
Mia ni makange mego.
ayaya,
Oya gadire ma.
Hey! Any boy! Any homo boy! Any Hey! See this man?
Hey, Mama, you see, since you came, I haven't actually acknowledged you. So today, I went to shop for my mother.
You shopped for me?
Exactly.
You shopped for your mother? Monkey will not be well because.
Mama, stop. So have it. So as long as you promise to make peace reign in this house,
but peace has
you
always
will
reigned.
surely get more and more and more. This is
Peace
just
has always reigned.
So, no more smackdown.
Hey!
No, it's beautiful.
This is the wrong hand.
It's for you alone.
My man.
Like this.
Manager, look at my phone. See that? Okaro. She want change everything within this house. She don't change that. Manager.
I will tell that myself to come back. No, the question when you are, what will go in the ask every day. Who tell that woman to come back? Other you follow which they for village, they stop killing the blood. No, you enter city, but my own blood, me or what will go in me, what's up? You know, sister, I know I don't see you. You know, see.
I don't see.
This one are tested.
See, I don't want laugh. Oh no, you see, I can find way to act with all that she did that one.
Baby, listen, I don't talk this thing before. I go talk and now make it enter your ear. Anywhere I don't, in fact, I don't swear anywhere where I go to look for a job. Anywhere I go look for a job. And you know they there as a cook, I design it. In fact, if you go like if you buy it now, you don't have to get man cook investment. Not that the get man cook investment, the service.
Give me the I said, Oga Mama will tight everywhere for this house. She tight and
You lock up.
what are you closer?
Give me Gary. After it.
So that it will sack me.
You are there. Get us a day for me. I need that food for me.
I just said in my dresses.
You see that woman? See that woman? My official original village witch. Don't worry. I get Ajimo. Water?
Apologies, my brother. Sorry. But that your house is beginning to sound like Fuji House of Commotion.
You think it's funny? No, you think it's funny? I just want to go for a compulsory vacation. Before I die, that's the only thing on my mind right now. Just to run away from that house for some time. Well, it's not funny.
Well, my friend, I don't think there is anything wrong for your mother and your mother-in-law to stay under the same roof. There's nothing wrong in that. What I'm thinking is that both of them should come on a common ground so they can tolerate each other. That's just it.
This guy is just talking OP. One nafu wago mind, man. My phone has been on flight mode since morning. Why? Because I'm scared of the next call I might be getting. When I say I'm tired, fed up, this is what I mean. I'm even scared of my own house. Going back home is like a big problem for me.
My brother, you know what? Just have a handshake. have a handshake, you know.
Right, because it's not easy.
You're gonna survive this fight.
Oh, get out. It's not fun. It's not fun. For real. It's not fun.
Alright, bro, take it easy, okay? Take it easy. Just drink up, you're gonna be fine. Drink up. Drink up.
The time's coming. Honestly, right now I'm beginning to, I don't know if it's to call it regretting having a child, which God would forbid that, or regretting bringing my mother over.
Listen, we have to take it easy, okay?
I'm not having peace of mind.
You cannot kill yourself.
Don't tell me you came out with this apple. You're such a bush woman. You're supposed to eat it in there.
Is it not me that got it? She was arguing it. So, that's problem.
Remember, it's good to teach somebody that doesn't know. Like embarrassment. Your level should be entertaining this kind of nonsense. Eh?
If you go Maggie, you're not just answer. What do you like trouble? What do you always like trouble? You will not get it from me.
Okay, look at what happened at the restaurant. I ordered for number 3 of the menu. She felt, okay, if I order for number 4, my own will be better. She ordered 4. And when the 4th dish came, she couldn't even eat it. She now reordered for 3.
Just listen to yourself. That number 4, you need to put your hand to take a poroko. Did you have a poroko in number 3? You have a poroko in number 4. You didn't eat it.
In number 4.
Did you know poroko was in number 4? I'll give her a poroko in number 4.
I don't like the idea of you wasting my son's money. This is not mama.
For crying out loud, I'm not complaining. I took you both out to have fun and not to quarrel.
Any boy, I don't have to wait for you to waste your money. Because it will hurt me if you come crying and you expect me to give you my little savings. I won't do it. Okay, look at this. I ordered for shawarma. She now said, give me shashasha. It's not shashasha, it's shawarma. Now, not only did she order for shawarma, she couldn't even eat it. She removed everything inside the shawarma.
Because I saw your plan. You were planning to give me in that restaurant. Like, you told them to put all those things inside so that I was wise. I removed them all.
It's okay.
Maybe had to stick to Gala, which she knows.
You think I didn't know what you told that girl? You tried to put all those things inside. All those things.
Push people are so
okay. I don't want. Can you make them to have fun? This is not
no.
It's Maggie. Okay. So let me be.
This is such a bush woman. So bush.
Yeah. Let's sit. You know what?
The shawarma, she can't even walk. Can you feel forever?
I found love.
Love?
Yes.
This woman gave you die. When you get finished, you already.
God gave me enough wealth to take care of him and my family, even distant cousin. I'm not complaining.
God gave you enough wealth to take care of your mother, to make sure your mom looks good. By the way, I need some new gold. Any boy! Now, when you're at the bush, next time we go to the restaurant, we don't take her. I got your child now. What are you going to Any boy! Oh, well, that's your mother for you. Now, man, I'm going to use a cover.
Baby, you still up?
What do you expect? How is baby?
He's fast asleep. So what is keeping you awake?
I'm just thinking of the problems between our mothers. I'm just thinking of the idea and the best way to solve the situation.
My love, I've decided to take whatever I see from them. My only prayer is that they end up not killing each other one day here. That's all. I'm tired.
Well, that's my prayer too, but before then, designing possible ideas that I feel will be much more strategic, that will curb the situation. When I'm done with that, it must be successful.
Okay. So, have you come up with any idea yet?
But you move from here now, down a little. Then by your left, if you stand there, then you look straight. You see Mama. But let me go and buy it.
Don't worry. I know you eat out from the Akara before you get here. Please open the gate. It's an anchor battery also. Don't worry. It's the gate. Open them now. You see if I go right.
Just once you go right now, then you go see another left. Stand for that place. You go see the woman. It's not far. Okay. But I feel go for you, woman.
If onye na-achọ kọfụ maka we gonna do if onye na-achọ kọfụ Sing maka we gonna do if onye na-achọ kọfụ maka we gonna do if onye na-achọ kọfụ Ewe were ugo were esipe ya ewela nkụbaya Ebe were ugo were kesipe ya ewela sigi nkụbaya Ebe were ugo were kesipe ya ewela sigi nkụbaya Ebe were ugo were kesipe ya ewela nkụbaya Mama oyoyo Nobody knows
Hey! Something like this here. He will keep this middle one for his mother. The last one will be for guests and people in the house.
Good morning. Have you seen my mother this morning?
No, I'm not seen her.
You haven't seen her? Okay, it's alright.
If if onye na-achọ kọfụ. But who we gonna do if onye na-achọ kọfụ. Sing it, but what we gonna do if onye na-achọ kọfụ. But who we gonna do if onye na-achọ kọfụ.
No, it can't be here. I did not see that building. Hi! How are them? Ah, I didn't even bring out my phone. Oh. Came out to buy akara, no phone. Now I'm confused. What do I do? Let me try. How? Mama Meka Isuzu one way. Which way should I take now? Okay. Tumbom, Escalating, Titi Alaba, Sway. Let me follow Sway Road. Adobe Kankene.
No.
Your mother is not Adobe.
No, she's not.
Are you not from Ogidi?
Ogidi kwa? No, I'm not from Ogidi.
Oh, sorry. But please, I don't know if you can help me. Do you know one Emeka Wato? I'm looking for his place. I know he lives somewhere around here, but I can't remember exactly where.
No, I don't know anybody like that.
Let me describe him. Maybe if I describe him to you, you will know the person I'm talking about. Emmy boy, that's what I call him. He's of average height. If you see him, you will think he's half caste. Manobro half caste He's very fair, very handsome. Madam,
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know him? Hey! Hey! Gaba the monkey energy had to wear the mao. What do I do? Nakono na chinechi. Oh! Akara laputam. Chai, nigga memesi. Emi boy, neye furuko.
Honey, baby, please calm down. Mother is sick wherever she is.
How can I calm down when my mother is out there? How can you both be in this house and no one seems to know her whereabouts?
Oh my days, baby. You talk as if you don't know your mother and her independent mind. I invited her to come eat at the dining. She ignored me entirely. I don't know. Why are you not trying to blame me for what I do not know anything about? How is it my fault?
Well, have you seen my mother today?
Oh, today, yes. She even called my post, my gate. She said, begin to ask me where I go get akara with my and all this stuff. Begin to talk like that. So I said, yes, I know where they are selling akara. And now waiting and they try to explain to me.
What is he talking now?
They explain to her. So he can't use his hand by himself, can't open the gate, can't waka, come out. That's why I just see him. And he just waka, come out. So I locked the gate for her.
So and since then she didn't come back?
I did that gate, I never come out, go anywhere. Since then she never come in, I never see her. I did that gate, I'm sure say you never come back.
You didn't bother to let anyone know?
Oh, because you know ask me. You know see as you ask me now, me I can't answer you. I don't want to answer with you when they don't ask me. With you, they don't ask me.
Right?
Yes, sir.
You be my girl. So, my mother came to you to open the gate for her. You gladly opened the gate for her. Right?
calm down. Please, can you sit down? Please.
He said, leave me alone. Did you hear him? And he opened the gate for him.
Mama.
Mama, oh yo yo, nobody knows tomorrow. Mama, oh yo yo, I'll give it tomorrow. Mama, oh yo yo, nobody knows tomorrow. Mama, oh yo yo, nobody knows tomorrow.
Now I call you Abi.
No vex, my guy. You know the normal hold up now for the country.
So you call yourself my friend. I called you since yesterday that my mother is missing, and you're just coming now.
I am sorry, my guy. Please forgive me. No business now, and Nigeria hold up. Please, Hafa. Let's talk about something more important. Have you seen her? Eh?
Yes, I've seen her.
Oh, thank God, at last. So what happened? What played out?
That she went to buy Akara. Mami Yoji Akara now.
Akara. Okay. Thank God she's back. At least now I'm happy. How are you now? Are you cool?
I'm okay. I'm just trying to recover from the shock.
Thank God, at least. If you see the way I was running there, I was beating on the traffic, I was driving. I said, let me come and see my guy, I know the situation.
James Bond.
So what's up now? What's the latest? My guy.
I'm just
cheer up now, you never see her.
No, I'm okay now, you know, I'm okay. Just that I'm not gonna lie.
Sorry, now I don't tell you that, sorry.
Now when person die, then my spirit will come to eat the food. No, you don't know what I there. But who I say you don't know what I did there.
What did you do? I don't know.
You don't know? And the moment I tell you, I say, ma, don't check, but I still take your time.
What happened to time?
You don't know what happened to time. I could, you don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Now time for afternoon food.
Time for afternoon?
Yes.
We can ask you one question. Why in receive you two get longer to the one? You so you know if you 1 minute without food, every time food. Maybe you see say now I come back from market and I cook inside kitchen. They ask me.
Hey! I couldn't wait. You ask for waiting be my right now. No longer truth. Now what you tell me? I could do.
Oh what? What is your right?
You don't know my right?
I know.
I could, you don't know my right.
I don't know your right or what?
My right now according to the time. Now time for afternoon food and that's my right. I could See you.
Mama!
Hey! Now here to ask for waiting be my right. He says no offense. And also on the throat. Even if not, you go answer madam finish. Go answer and come back. I go tell you say this time na time for afternoon food. Not before time for gate. Na time for afternoon food and not before time for gate. I go tell you that. If you take what I take. You feel take what I take. You feel take what me or I'm going to take. Even if not, I'll get a blow on there now. I go tell Oga say this time don't forget time. Don't forget time. It's for afternoon food time. Immediate police. Immediate akoko. I know my right. I know my right, and my right says afternoon food.
You answered me? Yes. Or you were busy talking in the kitchen?
I wasn't talking to anybody.
No, you were talking to somebody. I know what you're talking to.
Makachuka wasn't talking to anybody.
My ass. Oh, when you come with you, that's why you have long mouth. After me, no, mommy water. The only problem is that mommy water is unfair, and you're black. So you're not wanted. Obule, now talk to yourself.
Mama, I wasn't talking to anybody. He must have played the sound from Owa's radio. I wasn't talking to anybody.
Sound from Owa's radio.
Yes, Mama.
Look at you. You don't even know how to lie. The sound from Owa's radio speaks Chinese. Yes. Hey, Mama. Oh, Masali. Now go get me water to drink.
Okay.
In a clean tall glass.
Okay.
I love you. Oh no, na Africa sick. I feel more wife. Chuku maybe only to come and go ya. We just go to na again. Go to pacha.
Hello? Emeka? How are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Is your mother there? Yes, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Please give her the phone. I want to talk to her.
Okay, come here. Mama, Papa wants to speak to me.
Papa,
Papa Emeka.
Is he okay? Has he been kidnapped again?
Mama, collect the phone first. He said it's important.
Is he sick?
Why all these questions now? Collect phone and hear from your husband.
I don't want to talk to him. See, I'm out here enjoying this fresh air. I don't want anything that will disturb me. And you see this sweet drink? I don't want it to become bitter in my mouth. So Biko, just leave me alone. You know what? Tell him I'll call him by midnight. Midnight call. Him on the cheaper. Yeah.
Emeka, you know she has overstayed her welcome. Huh? Or does she want to live with you in your house forever?
Oh. Hey! I want to catch you on us. Maybe it's one for
I'm not just there, you have to sign here too. And then, afterwards, you will stamp here. You understand what I'm saying? Emeka. Emeka. What is it?
So sorry, bro.
You're not concentrating.
Oh yeah, man. Just thinking about. So yeah, you were telling me something.
Yeah. I said once you sign here, and then you stamp here, the properties will be yours.
Oh.
Exactly.
That's brilliant. Thanks for being a good negotiator. I really appreciate it.
Well, I should thank you for having confidence in me. But Mecca, you don't look good. You look worried. Keep on.
Oh yes, you're right. I look worried. I'm just I don't like the way my mother is treating my father. It's giving that man a cold attitude. It's just uncalled for.
Really? How did you know? Did you visit him?
Yeah, not really, but we had a conversation on the phone earlier today. And deep down, I do not like the way he sounded on the phone. You know, it sounded so down.
But you cannot guess how he feels from the tone of his voice.
It's enough of me, alright? Where do you want me to sign?
Okay, back to business. Yeah, I just want you to sign here. You got to sign. Just here.
Okay. Oh, but that's a good job you actually put it.
Yeah.
So have you finalized the date for Junior's dedication?
I thought we agreed to do that together.
No, you said you wanted to do it. Have you forgotten?
My bad. Forgive me. Okay, I'll make arrangements for the preparations at once.
Oh, very good, because we don't have time. We need to give him a magnificent...
Wow. Baby, I can't believe we're about to host our guest for the second time.
Oh yes, they will be expecting something unique.
I know, right?
give her smackdown. And you call that smackdown?
It's smackdown now. Because
Can you stop? Get it full stop.
I'm very disappointed. I don't care how you feel. It's your mother.
Mama, I am talking to you. I said it's okay. Don't you go now.
I'm making a bad move. I'm making a bad move. Nah, Jesus knows one name. Making a bad move. To see you. Don't worry. I'm a troublemaker. I'm a troublemaker. Smack down a troublemaker. So one of our women.
Something is definitely wrong somewhere. I mean, why do you guys hate each other so much? Why?
I'm not the one overreacting. It's your mother-in-law that picks up the fight. She's the one with the hate.
Mama, there is more to this rivalry than meets the eyes. Something is definitely wrong somewhere.
But we used to be best of friends.
Where'd you go? I was coming to your house. Where are you going to? Me, I just finished my chores. I was coming to your house too. Okay. I wanted to tell you that you should see me up. I want you to escort me somewhere. Very important. I should escort you somewhere? Very important. Yes. Important. Yes. Where's the Don't worry, just come, let's go.
Fight, we just need to realize together we will conquer enemies. When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah. Together we will conquer enemies. Yeah.
There he is. Tell me the truth, isn't he cute? Do you know I come here every day to watch him? Anytime you don't see me here, it means that my sunshine for that day is over. And I pray that such things doesn't come.
Does he know you admire him this much?
No! How will I tell him that kind of a thing? I can't tell him now. He doesn't even know anything. Do you know something, eh? In fact, tomorrow I will sweep him off his feet. I'm going to wear the clothes my mother bought for me. It's a new clothes. And I know that I will sweep him off his feet when he sees me.
I wish you luck. So let's go in.
Tell me the truth. Isn't he the most handsome boy in this field? Just look at him. Look at his chest. In fact, I just cannot wait to sleep by his arms and sleep on. Stop looking at me.
What you go? He's handsome.
Before he will notice. I know.
What is it?
I'm sorry I startled you, eh? But you see, this your beauty confuses my brain. Eh? Oh, what do you see each time I see you? Hey!
Udoye. Is that how you flatter women?
No, this is not flattering at all. Hey. You know, meanwhile, where are you going to?
My mom sent me on an errand.
Do you mind if I join you? Do you mind I join you?
Why not, if you have the time?
Omarita! Omarita! Omarita!
I shouldn't have trusted you with my little secrets. I didn't even know you were that cheap. You are cheap!
Ojugo, I can explain.
Explain what? What do you want to explain? What do you want to explain now? You think I didn't see you? Oh, I saw you with my clear eyes. Okay, let me ask you one question. Did he at any point touch you like this? Answer me! Did he touch you, yes or no?
Just normal touch.
What is normal touch? You see you have admitted. What is normal touch? What is normal touch? You!
Wait, Ojugo. We've been friends for too long. Don't allow this separate us.
It has, oh. My dear, it has. You know why? Because you are a betrayer and I will never ever in my life trust you again. In fact, if I ever see this your 2K close to my house again, I swear I will deal with you. If I say... What did I do wrong? He just touched me. That's all.
Oju will never forgive me. I and the boy had nothing in common. But after that encounter, I didn't know how to relate it to her.
Oh my God.
Oju is just stubborn.
Oh my God. Mama, was that why she was acting different during my traditional marriage?
That is Ojugo for you. If she had her way, she would have stopped that marriage.
Wait, Mama. Have you people had a real discussion about this?
You can see how difficult it is for both of us to live under one roof. Ojugo is stubborn.
Mama, please. I think it's high time you and my mom figure out a way to trash this your long-term rift. Please.
Oh.
It's long overdue.
So you know. So she told you, okay? Did she tell you how she snatched my man away from me? Did she tell you?
Snatch what? That wasn't what I heard.
Mba. What were you expecting to hear? Oh, but of course you would only believe her. Isn't she your mother?
You know I want the best for you. And I also know you want the best for me. This rift we are passing through is not the best for us. Please, whatever happened, just let it go.
Yes, Mama, please.
Do you remember what you did the first time I brought Juliet home?
Hi. No.
Thank you, Mama.
No.
Only can electric bulb.
No.
Thank you, Mama. Becky, where are you from?
She's from Ogidi.
I see. Ogidi in Kenya.
Hey! Chineke dal. My son, do you know I've been praying that you don't bring any girl from far away distance? Ogidi here. My daughter, do you know my wife is from Ogidi?
I tell it to you.
No.
My own sister.
Mama. What's your father's name? Oh, Edauzo. Do you know?
You're welcome, eh? No? My son.
Thank you.
You know how to select. If I did it.
I sent for you. I sent for you. There's something I want to discuss with you. It's about my girl. There's something about her. I don't think you should marry her.
Why?
Listen, why?
Well, my spirit tells me that there's... See, I know she's beautiful, fair and everything. Yeah, and under the ocean, we forget the fairness, forget the beauty. The fact that you dated for so long, forget it. I don't think you should go there.
That's what I'm asking now. Why don't you think I should go there?
Because your family, they are known to betray people. They betray each other, they betray friends, they betray government. Anything that can be betrayed, they betray. I don't want you to bring that kind of blood into our family. Okay, maybe first. So please, let her go. Look for somebody else.
Let me talk to Papa first to hear his own opinion. This is the man of the house. I can possibly listen to what you're saying now.
Oh, you don't listen to me again in this house, okay? Eh? What I say doesn't matter anymore in this house.
Mama, it's not that easy. Let me, I've heard you. Let me see Papa.
You've heard me in an action in a take are two different things. Emeka? Me boy.
Our uniform is ready. Our uniform is out.
This is nice, but don't you think it's too expensive? Yeah. Must have spent so much on this material.
It's our first child naming ceremony.
But you still have more children.
It even costs much though.
Why not save money for the other children? All we need to do is give food and drink.
Busy body! Get on top of salad. That is what you are. They should not spend money on my first grandchild. Or not possible. Besides, his father can afford it. So why are you talking about cheap things and not celebration? My grandson must enjoy his father's money. Any boy, GVA. Do you understand what I'm telling you? So don't even start with that your nonsense.
No, Mama, I know.
Because let me finish. Don't bring that your poverty-stricken self and attitude into this house.
Mama?
Yes?
Now allow her.
No, I'm respecting you, please.
Allow what you go to finish. What you go finish?
Mama, it's okay, please.
What is biting you? Get out of cigar.
Hey! Stop pretending. Don't even pretend to your own daughter. It doesn't make sense. My first grandson. Hey! Oh, Namo, we must enjoy if it's food and drink. I'm going to keep you nonsense. Oh! Please! Pico!
Not every time she throws those her words at you that you react. Pico, for my sake,
it's okay dear. This color is nice. It's red. Red, you and your husband. Red. You tie red.
No,
red
it's not entirely red.
Yes, red.
Yellow and red.
That means you tie red on your...
Of course, I've ordered for the scarf.
This is nice.
Yes, Mama.
So nice. But you need to save money for other children, like I said.
I know. This is what you do once in a while.
I think I know exactly what you did to make my mother bend.
Can I hear it? Lay that already.
Oh, thank you.
You're only for work.
Good morning.
Good morning, son.
How was your night?
What's good?
Okay. So that's my wife?
What? Why didn't you allow that girl rest? She takes care of you.
I'm not thinking it, just that I woke up and I didn't see her by my side.
But you spent the night with her, didn't you? Make more babies.
You won't even allow Kenneth to grow.
Oh, it's okay. You can always think like that.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay. So what you up to today?
Nothing really. Stay home all day. Do you want matrimony for that? I don't know like that. I can ask you.
Stay home and cause more trouble, right?
No, now. Mother has changed. I'm okay.
Yes, I'm fine, but I don't think I want to take this. Alright?
I just finished it.
Okay. Because I'm not even angry. Take it. Okay. Have to run along.
Let me show your good.
Alright, so.
Have a good day.
You too. You're good, right?
As always.
Somebody help me! Hey! Julius! Julius! Somebody! Hey! Somebody come on! Emmy. Julius! Hey! Somebody help me! Julius!
I have to take my leave now.
Doctor, how is my son-in-law? How is he? Is he getting better?
He's still under observation at the moment.
Doctor, will my son be okay? You see, the tea I gave him this morning, I'm suspecting that there was something about that tea. The color didn't really look like it normally did.
Don't worry, Mama. You see, I have already prayed to his wife. All you have to do is pray for him. Whenever God heals. Excuse me.
It's okay. No. Hey! He said we pray. The way he was talking is like he's not even sure if my son will recover. Don't do this. It's not time for you to do this. You don't cause something for yourself. I blame myself. Why? I blame myself because I've been stressing my son and his wife. Maybe that's what caused what is happening to you. You just have to calm down. He will be fine. It could be office stress. Office stress? Oh, it's not time for you to blame yourself at all. He will be fine. Oh? Please, forgive all that happened in the past. Carlos not my I bear no grudges against you. I've forgiven you a long time ago. Let bygone be bygone, okay? Your son will be fine. We'll just pray for him. You go, I'll pray for him. It's okay, stop crying. It's alright. He will be fine. Yes, he will be. You're better when you smile, you know. Can we go and see that? Okay. Let's check on him. But you have to smile. Right? You are such a genius. How did you come up with that?
Well, I told you I was going to do something. Didn't I?
Oh my God. And it worked perfectly. You didn't see your mother earlier. She was panicking.
I know.
All those are gra smack down, back up.
You and your own mother.
How is he? Oh, Mama. How is he doing? I don't know. The doctor said we should watch him.
Did he recommend more drugs or he gave him injections? He only checked his blood pressure and temperature.
Sorry, baby, sorry. Sorry, baby, sorry. Sorry. He's awake. Nah, you okay? Did you break any bone? Huh? What about your neck? Is it all right? Nah. Sorry. Water. Let's get him water. Water. Up now. Who need him? Water.
My mother is funny. My mother said,
Drama queen. Can you imagine? Go for tiaras.
Mama said, okay. I heard your voice. They're coming back.
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
My intestine. My abdomen.
Sorry. Did you notice something about my son?
Something like what?
When we gave him that water, like the way he drank it, he just drank it sharply like somebody that is really okay.
I must have been killing him, man. I don't even know what to believe anymore.
Oh no, Philip. He just drank it like somebody that is
well away.
Thank God say Oga dey alright. Because if anything happen to Oga, my life say thank God.
Why you dey talk like this? Wetin happen?
You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know? My salary move from there. Even my arrears, years one no more move from there. I don't have to say again, nothing wrong.
Sometimes you dey make me feel say you no get sense. All this while you for wetin you dey reason na who go pay your salary and arrears?
No reason like that. By the way, which village you come from, sir? Because me, the village where I take come, where I come out from, we not fit go back to that same village empty handed. You know they happen. Listen,
You see, because of this rent of people, no food for you.
you no fit try am.
No food for you for the time.
You no go do am.
Yes.
Bet me too.
You dey try me.
You no go fit do am.
Forget say you be my man. You dey try me.
So you don't say you be my woman. No go happen. No go happen. No go do am.
You hear this?
You talk of person try listen to you. No, try do this thing now. Wait, talk now. If you say you don't give me food, you try am. I go kill myself. After I don't kill myself, I kill you. And my spirit will still want your spirit. If I kill you here now, my spirit will kill you the other side. You don't even try to eat. You know what I can. No, don't try to. Which kind of talk to this? Say you don't give me food. This is this thing I talk now. Try am. Go tell Sabi what to do. What will go in there. That's the reason.
The Bible tells us in Psalm 123 verse 7 that children are a gift from the Lord. They are a reward from Him. What is his name?
Chukwuemeka Kenneth Nwatu.
Today I call you Chukwuemeka Kenneth Nwatu. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Boy, oh boy.
Amy boy.
Where are you going to? I want to leave the kitchen to strangers. Listen, let me go back in there. If anything happens to one piece of chicken in that kitchen, you'll see what I'll do to you. Go back there, my friend. Lazy girl. What's going on here? Juliet, what's just keeping them? And why are they ready? I still start coming.
Fight, we just need to realize together we will conquer enemies. When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah, together we will conquer enemies, yeah. Whoa, 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 Udo, Kama. Let us come together, mama,